Welcome to my weekly diaries! Yay! Worth it ba na niliwak ko sa Shein? Actually, for some person, more or mga sit-down videos tayo as of the day. Parang hindi siya pantay. Parang mas grabe yung ditong area kumpara dito. Dun, 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 dun. So, I feel like I'm gonna do this weekly diary thing in my life. Because recently I just rewatching my YouTube videos, YouTube vlogs, and it was actually fun during those time kasi nakalimutan ko na rin talaga yung mga nangyari sa buhay ko. So, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna start. Wala lang, gusto ko lang talagang i-document to. You know what I'm saying? It's just for me to look back and to be grateful with my life. I just did it's not coffee, it's Milo, it's chocolate. So kasi na something chocolate drink, so I bought Milo. See, medyo magulo yung drawer ko kaya biglang naisipan ko siyang ayusin. Ito yung pen ko guys, sa iPad. It's from Ugreen. This one is super good. Para siyang replica ng Apple Pencil. Yeah, I've been using this a lot of times. And another pencil. Hello everyone! I think more on mga sit-down videos tayo as of today because nag-cancel yung lakad ko today, which is dapat nakaschedule siya later, 12:30. Pero because of the weather, it's supposed to be my releasing of allowance schedule today, pero nag-cancel nga siya, so it's gonna be continued or rescheduled on a later date, which I'm not yet sure on what date it is talaga. And yesterday, hindi rin natuloy yung lakad ko kasi sobrang grabe lakas ng ulan. Everyone, so ngayon, dumating yung package ko from TikTok. In-order ko lang to nung isang araw. And then, dumating siya agad. So, let's see our package. Tignan natin. Bumili ako ng shade kasi this is going to be for my graduation photo shoot. Barkada siya. So, dapat daw kami ay naka-shade. It's just affordable. Gusto ko lang yung mga ganitong type of shade kasi maliit yung face ko. So, parang hindi bagay sa akin yung medyo malalaki yung frame. That's what I meant. Wow! Okay. I like it. I can use this kapag aalis kami. Pero parang hindi siya pantay, no? Parang hindi siya pantay. Parang mas grabe yung ditong area kumpara dito. So, ayun. If you like this, super mura lang nito. And kapag nawala to, hindi ka manghihinayang kasi it's just affordable. Hindi na ako nag-a-affiliate. Dito na lang ako mag-a-affiliate. So, ayun na. Dun, 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 dun. So, ayun lang. Wala na akong magawa sa life. Tada! We're gonna unbox the contact lens that I bought. And meron din siyang free lagayan and ang kuha ng contact lens at paghawak sa contact lens. So, pag in-open mo, nakaganito siya. Yan. And then, this is the contacts. So, sana bagay ito sa akin. Sana bagay ito sa akin. Please. So, this is me trying on the contacts. I forgot that I turned off the mic, so there's no volume to it. Another parcel, everyone. Feeling ko this week, pinapapakita ko talaga sa inyo gastos ko. It's gastos season for me kasi ang daming kailangan bilhin. Pero actually, gift ko to sa aking boyfriend. Kasi graduation nga niya. Kaya, binilan ko siya. It's a graduation gift. Sana matuwa siya dito. It's a power bank. Yes. Kailangan niya to. Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin, deadbat na ako, malulobat na ako. Battery niya, sobrang grabe. So, ngayon, ito na, para na to sa'yo. Maganda to, actually. madami na akong na-try na ganito sa friends ko, nanghihiram ako. So, ito yung binili ko kasi I feel like this one is the one that I trust. This is 10,000 mAh. Ang dami kong gastos. Super daming gastos. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Money will come to me. Money will come to me. Money will come to me. Got the goods. I ordered Food Panda. One. This one is one.